Holidays are a great time to sell on the marketplace, and Easter is no exception. Hiding chocolate eggs inside themed decorations is a popular thing on social media, and parents are always on the lookout for such items. Find an image of an egg, print it, and get it ready for the bandsaw. This is just a few 2x4s, glued up together for this purpose. Cut out the outer shape, not bothering to keep the offcuts nice as none of it is used. This won't be the case for future steps. Plan where you want to make your jar and trace it on the front face. Before we get to the jar, cut out a slice from the back and keep it. It will be added back at the assembly. Cut out the jar, but this time enter with the grain and take your time cutting it out, as both inside and outside parts are kept. Take the inside and, as we did earlier, cut out the back, but this time the front too, put those aside. Trace a U shape in the jar, the top of the U being the opening. Keep about 1/2 inch sides. Cut out the jar. Please like and subscribe. It makes a huge difference on how YouTube pushes my videos to new people. Thanks to all subscribers. Cut out the jar. Sand the inside parts of the main egg and jar now. They will be hard to do later. The rest, sand it once assembled to avoid getting gaps. Assemble all the parts as such where they came from. Keep everything in clamps for an hour or so before we get to sanding and finishing. Add glue in the opening on the main body and clamp it down. Make sure to wipe off any excess glue. It will look much better and takes no more effort now. Glue and clamp the front and back pieces on the jar. Remove the clamps, holding the main body closed, and add the back, glued and clamped. I like letting the first step hold in place before adding the back, for a perfect gapless finish. piece of 3/8 dowel to act as a handle, glued and clamped to the drawer. Sanding is what makes bandsaw boxes look great or scrappy. Take your time and make it nice and smooth. It'll make painting much easier. I went with yellow for the outside and white for the drawers. With simple masking tape, you can make a nice bar go across, making your items stand out as well finished on the marketplace. Add some more decorations, a chocolate egg, and it's ready to take some photos for the marketplace. Thanks for watching, subscribe for more, and see you next time.